Just in time for spring, there's been a series of renovations and improvements at the Boboli Gardens. The Upper Botanic Garden, also called the Ananassi, up until now has been closed to the public, and it will now be open from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. The space, covering a hectare, includes hundreds of different species of aquatic, tropical and subtropical plants. In the rest of the Boboli Gardens, work is continuing to improve all areas. Around the gardens, 46 new pietra serena benches have been installed, with the stone coming from the Santa Brigida quarries on the Florentine Hills, with the aim to reach 60 benches in a short time. Restorations have also started on garden statues, the aquatic plant basin and the secret passage behind it. Other renovations that will also be conducted are of the orchid greenhouse and refurbishment of the Viottolone dei Cipressi and Viale dei Platani, for which 53 cypresses and 25 sycamore trees will be planted, and an in-depth monitoring of the centuries-old trees will be conducted, felling those that do not meet safety requisites. The never-before-opened secret Camelia garden is also part of the renovation project. The garden is a 300 square metre space planted in the early 17th century as the exclusive domain of Grand Duke Ferdinand II's younger brother Mattias. Currently in a state of abandon, its bastions are structurally unsound, and they are expected to be restored in 2020 or 2021, before the space can be opened to the public. The Gelateria Buontalenti was a Medici ice cream parlour whose name comes from the famous architect Bernardo Buontalenti, who in the 16th century invented sweet ice, the precursor of modern ice cream. It will be built in the Castagni Meadow, located in the upper part of the park in a late 19th century building. Among the many flavours that might be on offer, there could be a bitter orange flavour made from the oranges grown directly in the gardens. Check the uffizi.it website for updates and opening times.